Hello everyone, I'm going to make my product. First, let's gather our ingredients and materials. You will need a small container like a jar, bowl or plastic cup, vinegar, brown sugar and dish soap. So, fill the vinegar into the bowl, 250 ml. Step 3. Add some 1 tablespoon of sugar. Step 4. Add some dishwashing liquid soap. Step 5. Mix them together. Make sure that the brown sugar is already melted inside. Then place it into the container. And then our product is already complete.